What's up, guys? Welcome back. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, because the video here, the movie here, it not go normal. A part 2 this year. Chucky, what you say?
It's not part 2, Grandma, it's episode 2.
Episode 2, yeah.
I will plan to bring it to episode 100. All you have to do is just subscribe, share it, and I promise you, it's going to be longer, more, better,
yeah.
more vibes, more
stronger. Tell them now.
Right now, I'm telling you the truth. Chucky nervous because
nervous.
You don't want to know what Granny man. He they coming soon.
Soon.
Bye bye.
I made a kill me.
How come?
I don't know about my head. I don't know. But I did drop a kind of liquor so since there, so made me a kill me.
So better be.
I wonder if I hit it later, but thing would have eyes.
Everything in a but
You enjoy?
But me not like how rasta man they come spoil with you.
That means you man chat too much now.
No way him
good
come
as you want to run go tell my father you know. I said you chat too much. You can't bother with him. So yeah, I deal with God.
No. Just say me happy to see you. Come miss you.
Well, miss you too, but you know you go.
No, I need to spend more time with you.
You have to arrange one day. Like, we just sit down like spend the day. I would have.
Oi, nobody move, you know? Nobody move. Where they sit down with my daughter, though?
Your daughter? Me, your daughter no day. I'm a friend.
Ah, she sit down near lap.
She didn't sit down on my lap. She sit down on my foot. On my foot, she sit down.
Whether she wants to sit down on your foot, your hand, or wherever she wants to sit down. Don't make me catch her with my pitney again, you hear?
But me, daughter no day.
Look here, she could have sit down there, so. She could have sit down there, so. Look for the ground big enough. She could have sit down somewhere else. Why she have to sit down on your foot? Are you me attack to answer me?
Lady, so I can't deep me so.
You see, anyhow, me catch up my pitney again. Just know it's a problem, you hear? Problem. Wait till me go down. Wait for me now. Hello? Hello? Come in. Fire?
Hello, who is that? Hi, morning. Morning. This is Detective Sky Miguel. Is Fire us here? Yes. Can you call him, please? Alright, one second. Fire! One lady out of the place, she's a detective. I want to know.
No. Oh, you're right. You sorry?
I eat the lady call me. So I finish eat.
Everybody gone for the road. The truck you there?
I don't know where I got me, I can't bother with it.
And grandma and mother gone too?
Yeah.
Alright. Good morning.
Morning.
No problem, no.
I want to talk to you. Can I come inside or should I just
No.
talk to you?
Who are you? Before we go no further.
I am Detective Sky Miguel.
Me know, so that man tell us that me say, oh, you know, say you're Rasta up on piece of line. Babylon, and you're Rasta. So we have to turn this up. You have a search warrant?
I'm not here to
Me not
search.
thief,
I'm
nobody-
not here to
Oh.
search. Just relax. Take it easy.
Yeah. Me not thief.
I hope not.
What say do you know?
This is a serious issue
Mm-hmm.
regarding your niece,
Mm-hmm.
Ashley. It's like every day is something new by the institution where the school she attend. She fight day, she fight night, she fight almost every single clock of the hour, over the clock. I spoke to her mom, but it's like she can't even manage her own daughter. And it's like there's no father figure in the child's life to really assist to some extent. So being that you're her uncle, I think you're someone maybe good enough to assist the matter.
Alright, so what I go do? I go ensure that I check in with her. Or if I go to the school and I see her
You can make it mandatory if you can link me and me talk to a counselor. I can be a counselor. I'm looking this, but me and her mother don't plant these lines same way. Because I'm on the bonfire and choose some look man and see she carry around her. Me said she don't like me burn her lifestyle. Right? So she burn her lifestyle. She keep it that my niece away from me. But I must see her. I must go to school to her or somewhere and talk to her because it's quite some concern. I've been looking on the telephone them and I see a lot of kids that fight and I know say it have a lot to do with what I go on them surrounding and what them face and all.
Especially in their own.
Alright, so
you need to talk to her.
I gotta talk to her and get down to the meat of the matter. Yeah man, so thanks to the concern and thanks to the heads up, they are going to hold it off. Yeah man, they are hold it here. Yeah man, thanks to that.
Can I trust her with this? I don't want to get a call say okay she killed someone and someone killed her, next student killed her, she killed herself. It's getting every day something new by the school. The same person will fight almost every single day.
I go cause you know. I mentioned it to the school already, you know. So these kids that are fighting, why not put them in a ring and make them go a gym to fight boxing, wrestling. You have the next one, JJF. Some of the fighting them like CF, FFC. Yeah, because I don't fight some people don't fight and make money. But I'm fight for free. So me go talk to her and me think say if she have a hunger and have to get out, most if she can join one boxing gym or something, which can challenge her anger. Oh, because life comes with a lot of things. Because when in Jamaica, the structure of Jamaica is for the poor man mad. What I said a while ago. I said the structure of you and your Babylon system is to mad the people them.
Excuse me?
Listen, no.
I'm not here to discuss the Babylon system. I'm here regarding your niece.
No, I said, listen, no, we don't have any niece already. Let me step on phone the case now. Because you represent the Babylon, right? So more I can remember, so when I go talk to the superintendent, I make the superintendent talk to the superintendent, make it go back to the government, make it go back up to the top of it. They are the problem. Because the pressure that they put on, you know, it's a system, they put you as the whip, right? The money is become the master and the police become the whip. So you are the one that whipping the people them and then you're looking for why are they doing behaving like this. The thing is, there is no structure for the people them. My sister, who no have to have 100 man for come around her daughter if the system have a plan for people to have a better life. So the daughter go come with a fight and a grievance, but they don't know who to fight. Because the system are going to fight. Right? Everything. The bill, the water rate, everything too high. Cost of living too high. When she works, she can't buy food. So she have try find man to make up the things them. You understand what I say? If I wasn't
what does that have to do with me, sir?
No, you are the system.
Okay.
So I'm telling you, before, if you want a better Jamaica, this is how you go and try get that out. Get that out in like when I go to a meeting, say go talk to the Prime Minister and see if them can have it easier for the people them, so it can change the people from fighting. Because it's coming from the home. And the home is fighting to survive. Don't you know? Mother come home from work and not go and go to work today. He keep down the people come at school next morning and go fight one next people.
Is that the case?
That is the case all the while. If you check it, there's a reaction for every action. So you understand what I say? So if there is a way where you can fix that, you know come as a today. Because the mother would all live a good life and have a good structure.
Person need to know how to handle their own issue. Not because that's the case, the nation must react that way to her child. Persons must learn to control their own emotion, them anger, them problem, them stress, them calamity. You understand that they can't blame everything on the government and the police force. We can't do it alone. We need the people of Jamaica to assist. Don't you get that? We alone can't do it.
You just say we like you involved in it. You're not in it, you know. You just don't have tail it. You are just a whip. You know, a whip, only thing a whip can is beat you. A whip is not really important, really, you know. Because the whip will just lick you. You see, somebody will lick you now, and them are the problem. You are just the whip. Babylon. Hey. And then the money now become the master. The money control the Babylon, and then the Babylon control the whip. So the real slave master now has become like government leader. Them have taken up the job of a slave master. Okay. So the slaves them are reacting to reality and sufferation. So they fight every day because there's nothing better to do. If there was some form of plan and some form of things to the kids them to do instead of fight, they would have paid attention to it. There's not enough been done. So apart from that, I'm going to take care of my niece. I'm going to try my best to reach out to her and get through to her and let you know so she must think twice before she gets caught up in a Babylon system, because the system is forcing her to fight every day. Because, you know, for my barn, I fight, you know. I fight for food every day.
Okay, man.
I fight. Listen up. When I have a plum tree, I fight every day to keep the plum them panic. Because people want food. And money buy food, they don't have money. So anyway.
The sun is hot.
Yes, so go on to your way then. You can't come inside. I don't have a water for the Babylon system.
Talk to your daughter before you told
yeah, man,
your
I'll
niece.
I'll talk to her, yeah. Yeah, no, good looking out. I'm going to do my best, but come message. Deliver my message. Come on, do what me fi do, but you do what you fi do.
What's the message again?
The message is tell them to do better for poor people because they are the one that's causing the reaction. Because the action bring a reaction. Right? You will live good enough.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, pretend say I live good because listen, if you did not work in a Caribbean, you know, you not walk, you know, you not drive. Boom.
Later, don't show me, Joe. When about me and walking and driving.
Me say if you're working at
Caribbean.
Caribbean.
Mix up, Rasta. Go on inside, sir.
Listen me.
Too much talking.
You come from my property.
Hey, too much talking.
You can't control me, yard, you know.
Have a good day, sir. Control your knees. Push control you. Alright?
Then I'm going to buy you one good suit. Then I'm going to walk straight. You take your time, officer. No, girl. Go on, where are we? Somebody please. Alright. If you see boy Chucky, lock up him backside.
What?
If you see me have a son, them Chucky up here. If you see him on the road, lock him up. He walk up and down too much. The police woman they can't shot. Why want me smartly, you know? But he can't get me.
What is that? Look here.
I be a pretty mad people in the chat. But you know say there, because you go beat him out there, you know. Can you go beat him now? Come on up on the road. Beat him then. I think I want to call a baby before the week done. Can I die yard so? I don't know baby now.
If you have one big old baby, and I can't manage him already, go ahead to the boy.
I want to look baby, I know.
Hello? Officer Biggs?
Yes, detective.
Yeah, man, I just come off of the same case with the girl, man, schoolgirl of a fire I may come from. The man actually pure rubbish. Can you imagine it?
Why them people are not no sense, you know? Can't manage them at all. Where say I go and do?
Anyway, so what's up with you and the other student?
You know, so I deal with my case, do everything sort out. You see me, the lady say more transfer in data. You see me, so I guess my problem solved already. So you say I deal with differently though. I can't check you, you know.
What that?
I can't check you. So
You
we link up back at school.
You work later?
Yeah, I contact man. I can't check you back out high school.
Alright.
Yeah man, come on, I go check back them over there.
Alright.
So link me out high school now.
So the same from school?
Yeah man.
Alright.
Yeah. an idea now.
Alright, guess what? So, I Sheikah can deal with Karen case.
Yeah, no problem.
Me will deal with Ashley case.
Yeah.
And you just report back to me and me report back to you. So either me call or you call me.
Alright, no problem.
That's the most for today.
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool.
Alright, see you soon.
Alright.
Me go up on the road, go buy a couple things that I feel like I want. Look, you know, look more makeup for the young boy then. So, me go want you sweep out the place and wash up the pack there. And if you know what to do, more if you do it and by the time I come back, make sure stay. Place stabilized. And the fridge clean out in the fridge.
So what about your son?
Which son?
What about daddy? How much have that?
Hello. Your father is a grown up man. You're a child. Me tell you to do something.
Exactly. He's a grown up man. A grown up man supposed to do all the work in the house. I'm a child. I'm supposed to eat.
Hello.
I'm sure my friend.
When me talk, I don't want you to speak. Me tell you this now. You're going to stay in the yard and do the chores them. When me come back, make sure stay there, so sit down. No go on the road. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. You hear me?
You come over
You
there.
hear me? Open up your ears then. You hear me?
You come over there and tell me what we do.
Me go on the road and come back. By the time I come back, everything must look clean. You hear me? I couldn't put up on your knees and scrub the floor with bleach and you go do it.
We don't do that job there. And that the hand work up on the knee. Me pray about my hands so me tell them pray.
You know, when me talk, me know why you talk. Do what you have to do. Me go up on the road and come back.
I pray that grandma go on the road and don't come back for the rest of the day. Come back. Me pray. Come back.
And if you're hungry, you break on the fridge stop, then you hear me?
Let me have it all week, bed.
Well, your time they suffer. This thing up. Thing you come make us stress me out. Chaboop sip on the road. Call up the grill, yeah.
Maybe time we love you.
Walking, I want a car man or a bike man. Car me go places. I'm walking a car for me.
Me I got a boyfriend Chucky.
Oh, no, man, I'm not looking for my girlfriend. My girlfriend Peggy. Later.
Hi.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Me a hit.
Yahoo?
Me a hit.
Yahoo?
Me a hit. I play hide and seek and me a count.
Oh, your account?
Yeah.
I'm ahead?
Yeah.
Hold it.
So you got this?
Count to 100. No, no, find me yet. Keep going. What is it? No, I have nothing to do with it. You're mad.
Are you done?
No.
How many days
No, test it, also. Yeah, man, testing your nose. Yeah, press the chicken. When you don't press the chicken, way away from put it on your nose and press the chicken.
Let me test.
Oh, you know, you're going to be look and see this. Right and see it done.
Chucky! Chucky, oi! Chucky! Show me the camera, you know. Look how long I call him. Chucky! Look here, man.
No. Me tell the blasted boy to lock the grill before me left. And the boy still not lock the grill. I see me tell the good man. Our robber come in the house, come rob the little sitting when me care come here. And thief out the things them. Chucky! Chucky! I stress here, man. And then stress and I come down your pan. I did ever know me not come no way. Chucky!
Don't ramp with me.
Wait. Wait for me. How is it? I don't feel it. Can't take up the cup.
Cups and then from cups to prison.
I don't feel me. Then they not keep me with it. Come on.
You not come back feet though.
No.
Oh. And then they're going to put in a problem.
Because you take up if your finger is funny.
I'm going to rub on my finger. Oh, you tap on my finger the power. Your finger up on the last, so you alone the funny. You know what I'm saying?
What's up?
You know, right? Yeah, man, you're good, yo.
Oh, yeah, Piki.
I'm feeling your feeling. You don't come like this, you know, right? Yeah, man, it's good. I'm good. No. Girlfriend knows she, you know, she gone like them over from the area. No, I'm brown, pretty girl, but she not really pretty, but
I know my girlfriend.
no, not brown, not Peggy. We don't want Peggy yam too much. Peggy loves her belly too much.
Peggy love her belly too.
So your man is that?
No.
Where the tea people ask come feed her?
You know thief.
And one yard.
Later you come play that shit, man.
Where boy then? Chucky! No. Chucky! Say blasted boy there. You see a boy there? I see me with a make. Find it. Me can't take it no more.
What?
Where did they?
We did the road like side of the house.
What?
Yeah, on the side of the house.
Me not tell you to lock the grill if I come out of the house. What me tell you say? Me not tell you to left the yard.
No, listen now.
Eh?
I thought you left it walk.
Me not tell you to left the
Wait, don't bless you.
let it go. Let it go.
I thought you left it walk, mom.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Your father is here?
Gone.
Gone. Come on, gone. I'm gonna call him. I gonna call him. Me tell you this now. We are one of the last.
Maybe you want another.
Because my cousin doesn't play them. Not true. Go watch them.
No, that the young girl just cook.
So really, me, I like to the same place.
Yeah.
And then me come back. Me expect to come back and watch them. Not true.
If you want to wash it, you wash it.
Jesus Christ, so let me tough chat. Me tell you this now, boy. Me now I tolerate them slackness here.
The glass I drop off for you.
Make it turn.
And you style that catch your glasses up.
Chucky. Me tell you this now.
Yes, we are the young call me name, me are Chucky, me name Chucky. No, Chucky.
Hello. Go and wash the pot them. I couldn't not even in and sweep up from morning.
You know, see, you want to pick the wash pot good.
What do you mean? You're going to learn. You take a book from morning?
Yeah.
You take a book, go for your book. Let me see what I have in that book. Go for the book.
No, we can tell me ABC.
Tell me ABC. You have to know which part it starts
No,
from.
alright, yeah, look. Hey, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X. Me know my ABC and grandma don't know me.
Me tell you tell you this now. Me no want no Don's grandson, you know. You're grown and say I'm gonna take up your book. And when your father come back and make you know about what you do. Me can't take you no more. You dare to stress me out and me kill you. Me will kill you.
Me there to stress you out and you live for up on your daughter and you have to come out with stress. Don't be so. For you come to start and play here.
No. No, me can't take you no more. Me can't take you no more. Them life ain't enough for me. Them life is not for me. Enough for me.
You have been mad enough for your feet.
Me tell, oh Jesus. Chucky, go in your room.
You have been mad enough for feet.
One run in your room.
You want $100?
Chucky, go in your yard. May I say, yeah, go in your room.
$100?
Stress out. You can't take this no more. You can't take it no more. You can't take it no more. We are look for.
I think $100 I have to cut me. You have a receipt right now. We're married. You have pregnancy test you by that man?
Hello, mind your business.
But you're too old to me now. Why you doing? Why you doing, Grandma? Why you making man breathe, you? I'm wanting to come.
Plastic stupid. So how the man tell me say you write the number, I want the paper then. How the paper gone? Nothing there on this. The man tell me right.
You do well.
Chucky,
Hmm?
where book there?
Which book? I no book. They say one. Check one. Which one?
Where is the book? Hello? Come over here beside me. I carry the book come.
Come again, man.
Carry the book come. I custom right beside me.
I don't even know that book not like you.
Hey, take over your card, man.
Let's see now, man.
Custom beside me. Dear friend.
You're going from to Chiang. What do I look for?
The word I write on right here, so I can bet say your father write it because me know him handwriting. And you call the words them.
I don't know you writing.
Oh.
I ain't got them writing.
Hello, you gonna have manners but what I ain't girl name. Right. The first word, what is it? Pronounce the word. Only book I pronounce the word I hear.
Oh dear.
What?
Oh dear.
No! Boy, if I clap you today, you see?
Oh dear.
Pronounce the word. Oh.
Ah!
Ni.
Me!
On.
Oh, and.
So say the word no.
Ah! Me! And.
Don't, sir.
With one grandma.
The word is onion.
Yes, you pronounce the word of it just say, I will say, oh! Me! Yan!
Me tell you this now.
I use to pronounce this word of a pronounce.
Hello.
What you say first?
You're full of too much more. Look on the book.
Yes.
What is the next? What the word? Say the word
what I
again.
heard here?
No, say the word again.
Say the word, how you say it, right? Oh!
Onion. The word is onion. Say onion.
Me know say onion.
Then say onion.
Onion.
Okay, the second word is what? Pronounce it.
Oh, pronounce it like the top word, right?
Pronounce it.
Pronounce it.
I might get something. I might
Tomato.
make a pronounce in here.
Tomato.
Yes, make a pronounce in here.
Tomato. Tomato.
Pronounce the word.
Tomato.
What out your hand?
Alright.
What out your hand?
Tomato.
So say the word now.
Yes,
Say the word.
Oh, the word. Tomato.
Tomato. It is tomato. What's the next word? Tomato. You don't need tomato. Eh? You see you're too done. Look how you damn big. I don't know them words.
I'm trying to find the mate. You said tomato. Remember I said it's Tomato. So me I look for the E because it's a tomato. It's tomato.
Hello.
Tomato. No, there is no
You
mate.
come from Jamaica. You come from Jamaica. You got chat like a Jamaican. You hear me?
But grandma, you cannot say.
Patwa do it. When I did at school, I get raw patwa. No English none of this to come.
You can't say tomato. You have to say tomato.
The girl a quiz me Farid.
Tomato.
What?
You can't say tomato because there's no E in it.
I saw my parents they teach. When I go to school, they say the word name tomato. And a tomato. What me say be? Tomato. Say tomato. Say tomato.
If you ever say tomato, what a tomato?
Tomato.
So,
What's the next word? No man the weak, man the weak.
garlic.
What?
Garlic.
Garlic?
What?
Pronounce garlic.
Ga.
Ga, yeah. Go on again.
Lee. Garlic.
Lee.
Garlic.
Garlic. Garlic.
Yeah, garlic.
Alright. Garlic.
No, it's not lick. Lick have a K as in
Garlic.
garlic. Grandma, garlic.
Me bigger than you, you know. Me know more than you.
Alright, if you're bigger than me, why that big word there?
What is the word?
No, you say you're bigger than me, what a big word there?
Hello, I'm here teaching and you teach me.
Oh,
The word is sweet pepper.
right. You see? Congratulations. You're bright. And
Say the word.
it's sweet pepper.
The whole
Grandma.
pretty up not right here, so.
Yeah.
What is the next word?
I see a pepper.
Okay.
Oh, the one
Next
have-
word.
Oh, Irish FM.
Irish.
Oh,
Irish. Irish. One time a little. I went father mash Irish. Boil Irish and mash with butter give for yam.
No, potato, Irish potato. He no mash no Irish. A potato.
It is the potato from the book. Irish today. I'm gonna swell up your skin today.
Irish. If you have
Irish.
on the wrong, you need to put potato on it. You can't put only sauce of Irish. We know it's sauce of Irish. Irish potato.
God, if you're not busy, come here then. Come now and kill the boy in here. The word is Irish. What's the next word?
Oh, no. Carrot.
Okay. Next word. You know, say you two don't see me. Go and go learn. You know what? Go learn ABC. Excuse. We can't take this no more.
Carrot. We can't go play now?
Hey boy. We broke up here in here.
Oh! Yes! We're going to learn ABC. We know that one. I miss it that the girlfriend never use. Pronounce it.
A cucumber.
Yeah! Amen. You can read. My brother.
Go learn ABC. Learn ABC. Learn it. Nasty boy, man. Boy, see, daddy girlfriend I use cucumber.
Bluetooth device is ready.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Grandma, listen, grandma, man. Say, listen back over, repeat it back over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, M. Grandma, you're right, school. Still, me have some ABC here, don't come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. But I think if you're here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Peggy, how would them girl? You friend them? A black one of you one time, papaya rock me, you know?
Overhead 2 times.
Overhead 2.
Yeah, one more time.
One more time. Get you to tuck it.
Yeah, don't go too thick. Oh,
Oh, too thick. Yeah.
yeah, you can talk on sure.
Listen, control.
No, sure. Right. You know, where you go?
Yeah, you know, I'm big less enough. You walk up there. Come on, back up.
No, you know, you know. No.
Overhead 2 times.
One. Also?
One more.
1, 2, 3.
I'm see the phone, me just remember something to call. Remember.
Listen now, take. Listen back over. Repeat it back over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, M. Grandma, you're right, school.
Well done, babes. You man be there. So I'm gonna good. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, man. No hang up there. I'm going to check for my grandson around this, because a long time I run there say ABC. Because I take to grow and they go learn the ABC. I tell if you get look a break, man. Alright, don't hang up, you know. Alright. Wait! More mash up. Hey.
Yeah, good one.
Come here. Imagine if you over there start learn the ABC. Beat him, Daddy, beat him. Beat him, Daddy.
Come here, Becky.
Yes. Go over. One over. No laugh. Look come man.
Bang back, Daddy.
No laugh.
Hello? No, I'm not see Chucky. Me still feel like a dirty boy. But anyway, me don't want you again. Stop calling me phone. You ungrateful junker. Yeah. Me have me strongness. I call look for me your bride. Quiet. You weak. You don't know use. Yes. It's over. It's over. No call back the number. Block me too. Block me for I call you. Block me for WhatsApp. If me private, the number no answer. If you hear me voice, I beg you to come back. No answer. Block me. You all fat.
Come, Daddy. Come, Daddy. Hey, ball. Me too. Me not ring, you know. Alright, Daddy.
Come on, that one here, man.
Go ahead.
Who that one here, man?
Go ahead 2 times.
Yeah. Hey. My knees. I mean,
But Daddy, you're flexible, man.
I'm not taking
Bang back, Daddy. Yeah, go on, man.
Watch me now. Yeah, girl. Hey. You know who me be? Watch me. Watch me now.
Daddy, yeah, move.
Watch me. Hey. Woo. Woo.
Woo, girl, mash up the ball.
Detective.
Yes, officers.
Yeah, you know what you do now. I want you meet me out at the crossroad to go burn Savannah instead to meet me at Froome School. Change the location.
Alright.
Yeah man, hurry up.
That's it?
Yeah man.
Alright.
When I forward the talk.
Hello? Hello?
Don't allow me because I left me on the phone and you're gone. So where I come from? You don't find you man? Love me now? I want.
Are we here talk about?
You damn you hear me say.
Not the tapping nice. Imagine me tell us if you stay up on the call because me soon come back. And you hang up. Why you hang up?
The reason why me hang up, you come back on the phone come tell me say you have your man and you don't want me. So when you say hang up me.
No, don't hang up. Don't hang up. I have to Chucky do this. What you trying to say? Go Chucky. Go Chucky. Go Chucky. You never call him? Not true, you never call him. Me ask you not going to call him or not? Eh? Come here. Come here. No, come here. You're sweet if you and chips, you know? Me wind up to bed. Come on, I want to lick you. Trying to come back. Stay out there. Let me see you. Less trouble, less problem. Me have more food to eat. Look at Joe there, man, not the same king. I won't take my fork, my man, maybe business.
Well, you know, say, I now go work the rest of the day. Because I have some little business to go sort out and so. But you don't talk to your lady as I tell her on the phone. As she say, she go transfer her data. So I hope everything go good. So what going on your case?
Well, I talked to Fire as I told her before, and him say he might talk to him niece. So eventually, I hope things can actually get better. If not, some further intervention have to take place. But him promised me say I'm going to talk to him niece and control him niece before him niece actually control him. Understand that?
Alright, so more have to check out for me. So I can get my full pay said way. The deal is on local matter, so I'm not going to get fit work the full day. So
that's not a problem.
Yeah man. So you go different?
Yeah man.
Alright.
Alright.
Yep.
Peggy, me I go on the road now, me soon come back here.
Alright.
And don't live out the yard. And go bathe, you know, see you dirty.
No, I never listen.
Lift the phone. Later. Bathe and don't live the yard, me say.
Welcome. Y'all leave them not come in. You know that me doesn't rather wait by you?
I don't see I don't let me too. And sing and why me don't let me see your mother? My very high.
Oh she good man, you on the road. I think you might come back now.
Who's that catch me? No.
Go ahead and do it.
You come back when you get time.
What you do? You mad? Look him.
Where you go? What do you?
Grandma beat me because a man. One man in the house.
Come on. You know, I never want to go like here. You have her down here, you know.
Can't carry the big old muscle man they come here.
Where man there?
Going through the back door. A young boy, you know, about 20. And grandma, he was 20 years old to do it. Could have been great grandson. I don't give me no food drama. I mean, I slave me out. Hey, I slave me out. All the kids that he has with me too, I slave me out.
My name is Son.
Well, what you truck in now though?
Me a chucky now. Me let me phone around this, alright? I talk to me good up man. What you the curve? Cause the man never say nosy.
You know.
Me good up man. Chucky never take up the phone.
Mommy, myself rule that, right? Me no want you come in at the place and have too much money.
Okay.
Mommy,
What?
you can't bring the man, don't bring the man here.
Can't tell me that.
Listen
Are
up.
you a man or my man? Let me want the man. Are you want the man then?
Listen I say. Don't
Eh?
bring no man in here. You see, when you want a man, make a man take you to the motel or Greenfield Hotel, you're mad about. Listen, you have to set better example for your grandson. You know why your grandson see you up and down with a man?
Hello? This a picnic I done broke out already.
A lie.
You done broke out already. I husband with our family.
You believe?
This a boy a good behaving boy. In don't cause bad word.
I
So you feel?
I've never put
Yeah, you pick it so you
No,
pick
no,
up
no,
feel.
not that.
Yeah, tell me say me round this up on the
Me
phone.
never-
I me left the phone and go out and do a come back. Him not go past phone and chat to me man I change. Make you know
He
way.
say ya lick him.
Me not lick him.
What me tell
And
you,
no,
man?
me not touch him.
Ask him what me tell you, man. Say.
When me I say no, uno have to go. See what I will live here. Uno have to go make peace. Chucky go on your room.
We shall make peace, it's
You have
true.
to make she
We
sleep.
shall
now,
make
she
peace.
can't sleep.
Go on your
One
room.
night I was trying to sneak man in the house, you know.
Go on. Any man get come.
Don't tell a lie upon me. Don't do it.
No man, no. Your grandmother. They can't tag him. Don't point the finger. You slap on the finger.
No. I mean broke him or stop off. I mean broke him.
Go on, me talk to mother.
What that?
Go on here, we talk to mother. Listen now. What you gonna do?
I'll make she change her perfume thing. When go to place around there.
What we gonna do? Anytime you want go, just actually look at dividends, you give your money, you can roll. Right? You know, there's some woman there.
I'm busy boy, your woman. I'm busy boy, your woman.
Come we left, I don't know if she's there. Because she go one day, I don't know when she not come back yet. But call her up on the phone and beg her, say to come back because you're there now, so you and can show Chucky. Chucky is a handful. I know say love Chucky right now.
Love. What is
You
love?
say love Chucky.
What is love?
That is what.
Me did love him, me not love him again.
Lord.
In other manners, in other behavior, when he have manners and behavior, me love him again. But no, it not gonna work.
Or your grandson.
My grandson.
It's
my
like a
grandson
stubborn,
more.
it comes from the breed. We have a stubborn breed. But anyway, I have to go back on the road. I just passed through to ensure so not do things and there was no bun down and no go on. Because you say I'm going this morning, you will all things up on the
Me
road.
go out already and come back.
Things work out.
What you say about that?
Want the money to you collect, because I know say now go without money business, right? I touch my road now. I left my dog because I can't touch road and not have it. Right, you know it's on hot. But you know, if you cook nothing,
Me not
give Chucky something for you.
Me not give nothing for him because when you have manners, you get something.
If him stepmother come, tell her to cook for him then. But you know, I don't know what time I'm coming later, so when you go and do enough to do. Mommy, you have yourself money. Are you grand picnic? Are you getting that age? You don't want to see blood pressure. Just calm down yourself.
What is my age?
Yeah, I get.
Me a young girl where you chat about. What is my age?
Yeah, I get young forever then. So just control. You get the new voice now. Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
You get everything you want. But help me with Chucky. Because I cannot stay here for
Hello,
watch picnic
me
because
want
I'm
some
going
more.
run. If you run
Me want to fix my foot. Me tired for walk with tick. Me tired of it now.
They will pump someone. If someone come, you make a put on new foot.
A cheap perfect, but new foot. Fix more than fix the bone good in my foot.
Alright, so the same, I was saying I can do a surgery. I'll make money saying I can do a surgery.
Okay, I can have two women over there.
Yeah, you can't start that thing. We smoke at a new woman, it's different still. Because single life not nice. Because 2 days without woman.
I tell me boy, no nice.
Not nice. We have to have that conversation and do it mommy later. Later, mommy.
Bye. See look boy there. Come on, call up me name.
Yeah, we reach the end of the video. I'm thankful if you watch it straight out. You see, who watch it straight out, God bless you, know. God keep you, know.
God cover you know.
I respect that.
Yeah.
You see, the more I see the views, the more I see the subscribers, the more I act more in the movie, the more I turn up the movie.
True.
Make sure I know that episode 2 was not my strength. My real strength that come in at episode 3. Me I run past river in that episode 3. Me not going no more information.
I walk up in my walk man like a Jesus.
No, don't do that. Only Jesus alone can walk on water. Grandma, come on,
Chucky
man.
man, come on man.
Somebody please comment and tell me that Jesus alone can do it.
Talk to him, please.
Alright, see you guys later.
Bye.
Episode 3 coming soon.
Yup.